See, if this car was costing a crore rupee, then I would not be this surprised. But this car just cost 51 lakhs, and the amount of things that this car can do is astonishing. Hello guys, today I've got you this brand new BYD SEALION 7, very confusing name. I know you guys might be wondering, in our channel we get only high-end cars, but the car that we have today is no small car. This BYD is the biggest EV seller in the world, and this SEALION 7 has a build quality of a Range Rover, has a performance of a Porsche, and a comfort of a Benz. This car is pretty impressive. This is my first day in this car. Okay, this is my first day in this car, and it's pretty impressive. I was shocked when I got into this car, because this car doesn't have anything that says it's only 55 lakhs. But as soon as I got into this car, the build quality and the amount of leather that they have used, and the total look and feel of this car felt like I'm sitting on a Range Rover Sport or some Maybach. I'm not exaggerating, it's really that good. And when I started driving it, I'm not lying to you guys, it is very impressive. The suspension is tuned in such a way, and even in this bad patch of road, it's very fluffy, and it's very easy. Like it exactly feels like how it felt in our previous video when we were driving Mercedes E-Class. Very comfortable and very lush. But that car had one shortcoming, that is the way it drove on the corners. It had a lot of body roll because the suspension is tuned towards the softer side. But this car, when you are going slow, it has very soft suspension, but as soon as you put it in sports mode and push it, the suspension changes and it feels firm. There is very minimum body roll. I wonder how this BYD has pulled this, but it's very impressive. This is something you see only in high-end cars. These Chinese manufacturers are playing next level game here. The cars that they're able to push out are excellent. Just look at this car, how it, oh boy, it's 120 already, how it pulls and pulls. Even the brakes are pretty good. They don't feel too grabby. They're on point, exactly where they have to be. Now I'll show you the turning radius of this car. Though this is a big car, it turns pretty effortlessly. I could have done even shorter turn, but because of these cars I was not able to. As you can see, even on this bad patch of road, it hardly moves. Unlike that GLC, that if you can compare it with that GLC, it has a very lot of body movement there, but this car hardly moved. Even here, you check it out guys, there's a very bad patch of road. This car contains it pretty well. I think this is because of the seats. These seats have 14-way adjustments, and it's such a plush seat. They've used expensive feeling leather here, and as you can see, it's a completely sports seat which has got ample support on the sides. Feels very comfortable. And as you guys know, BYD has this rotating screen. This is a very big one, should say. It almost looks like a TV in here. You can actually browse through YouTube in this, watch your favorite YouTube channel. Very convenient, very big. The voice control that this car has is very intuitive. Like, let me tell it to on my
Please say it.
BYD on my seat ventilation.
Okay, I've turned on the seat ventilation for you.
It's pretty fast. There's no lag, no waiting, and the other very impressive thing is it understands our normal English. Let me show you something.
I'm here.
Open passenger window.
The current speed is relatively fast. Are you sure to open the window?
Yes, please. See, I felt like I was talking with a normal person. It doesn't feel like I'm talking to AI. It's very intuitive. You can only think of things that you can ask it to do. Very intuitive. And I was talking about the build quality in this car. So when you place your hand here, this is all leather. If you place your hand like this, it's all leather. And here they've used some nice aluminum, very solid. And the central console, oh my god, it's very solid. And it has got 2 wireless charging here. They've given some nice material to support the phone. And they've also given a fan here, very thoughtful. If you place your phone here, it gives out cool air so that the phone doesn't heat up. Very impressive. Seat has got very nice ventilated seats here, and they've got plenty of adjustments. You can do it both from the screen or else from the buttons here. And it has also got ample amounts of under thigh support. Actually, it feels like this car is the seat is going to recline and give me an under thigh what do you call, a bench. It's that big, the under thigh support. Even the heads up display is pretty intuitive and very informative. Let me show you how this car pulls. Let me put it in sports mode. Whoa, yeah. It already touched 140. Very impressive. I sometimes wonder if this car has got rear wheel steering, because the way it handles is pretty impressive. I mean, it feels like, see, I want to put it there. Yes, exactly. Can I? Yes, I can. See, I mean, like, why am I suspecting it has rear wheel steering is the way it cuts, the way it moves into other line is very impressive. It doesn't feel like it is a big SUV. It just feels like it is a sedan. The way it handles itself, the way it controls its body roll is pretty impressive. And I think it is only BYD that can pull off all these things. Because I've seen, see, if this car was costing a crore rupee, then I would not be this surprised. But this car just cost 51 lakhs, and the amount of things that this car can do is astonishing. Some guys were testing out the ground clearance of this car. That's a pretty big speed breaker there, and it hardly felt anything. We don't need to do that kind of tests on this car, because when you look at it, you can understand the underground clearance is a lot. And this car has got a pretty amazing sound system. It has got, I think it has got 11 or 12 speakers, and it sounds very good. And what else can I talk about? It has got amazing ambient lights. I'll do another video in the night. There you can check out the ambient lighting in this car. And what else can we talk about? It has got ample amounts of storage space. The steering is well balanced, and the materials that are used on the steering also are like pretty good. Here they have used this aluminum, and here it is all leather again. See, it is saying keep eyes on road. This is a monitoring system here which monitors my eyes. If at all I look down for a longer time, it says keep eyes on the road. I can't look here and there for a long bit of time because there's a monitoring system from there. This car has got level 2 or level 3 ADAS system. It can drive itself pretty well, and it has got amazing camera tech. I have to show you guys how fast this is. Okay, I'll look at the mirror. See how fast this system is. It's pretty impressive. I mean, like, how impressive is that? Even the BMWs or even some Benz infotainment are still lagging, but this BYD infotainment system is shocking. And the AC is pretty powerful in this. Outside it's around 40 degrees centigrade, and it makes me cold within like 2 to 3 minutes. It's pretty impressive how powerful this AC is. And the most important thing that we need to discuss is about the back seat legroom. Oh boy, it's very comfortable. It has got samples of space, and the reclining angle of the back seat is also very admirable. I mean, like, it's more than what you can ask for. It's very comfortable back there. For 55 lakh rupees, the amount of comfort and performance this car gives blows my minds away. I'm in standard mode. Wow, the way it pulls is pretty impressive. And the way this car looks, it's beautiful. You hide that BYD logo and tell people that it's a Porsche, and I guess people will buy it. I mean, like, they'll believe it because it looks that good. The alloy wheels on this is 20-inch. Old Audi A8s used to get those kind of alloy wheels. They're very beautiful. This car in black looks amazing. Even when unlocking and locking, those lights give you some dance. I mean, like, it's very beautiful. I'm currently doing 55, and I'm just enjoying the quality and luxury of this car. And the point that I want to talk to you guys about is, behind me there is one lorry. So as you can hear, it's pretty loud, but as soon as I close my window, I can hardly hear it. It's still making that loud noises outside, but I can hardly hear anything in the cabin. That is the level of sound insulation that this car provides. It's pretty comfortable in this car. I can only tell you so much, but if you experience this for yourself by sitting inside this car, it'll just blow your mind. So comfortable, so comfortable. Also, this car doesn't feel very long. It feels very compact while driving. It wraps around you pretty well. And when you're in traffic, and you want to pass some cars, you just pin the pedal and you fly across. It's very comfortable to drive. The brakes are punchy as well. Wow. Recently I've driven Porsche Macan EV, as you all know, but even that car didn't impress me this much, because that car had this acceleration which was like in your face. It was so hard, pulling you back to the seat, etc, etc. But even though this car does 0 to 100 in 5.1 or 5.2 seconds, it doesn't feel that fast. I mean, the power is linear. It doesn't feel like it is going to break your back. It's linear, luxurious, very, very, very well tuned. So have I forgot to mention any of the points. Let me think. Yeah, the feature that I like the most in this car is, see, in all the cars which has got this big screen, if you want to adjust your let us say AC, you have to go search for so many buttons, removing your eyes from the road to the screen. But in this, you can just do like this to adjust the temperature, and like this to adjust the fan. It's pretty intuitive. You don't need to remove your eyes on the road, eyes from the road. You can just do this and it adjusts the fan. You can do this and it adjusts the temperature. Very, very thoughtful. And it has got many themes to play with here. Like this, it feels like a computer to me. Very, very, very fast system. And you can change the wallpapers here like this. And also you have got all the adjustments that you can do from here, like from the child locks, ambient lightings to seat ventilations and seat adjustments. Both the seats can be adjusted through the screen itself. This is one hell of a car. For 5 lakh rupees, it's worth every penny. See, until and unless you get inside this car, you can't understand the level of premiumness this car offers to you. The suspension, the way it handles its body roll, the way it, how well balanced the steering is, and how comfortable the seats are, and how the noise cancellation or noise isolation is. Everything is top notch. I give 10 on 10 for this car. I just started loving BYD. If someone close this logo and make me sit in the car and make me wonder what brand this is, there's no chance I'm going to say BYD. Maybe I'll just say Audi or even bigger brands, but never I'll guess that this is a BYD. This is that good. And I'm working really hard to get these videos to you guys. Hope you encourage me by subscribing. Hope you all like this video. Bye bye.